G'day, this is Sam Finlay here, and in this video, I'm going to take you inside a niche Facebook page that has just over 70,000 fans. I'm going to show you how we research content to post to that page that organically reaches 200,000 people plus per post. That's with no paid ads, nothing, just organic reach on Facebook. I'm also going to tell you how we research what's touching a nerve in this niche so we can really tap into what's viral, what's popular to use on our custom print-on-demand products like shirts, necklaces, mugs, etc. So jumping onto the page here, you can see we have just over 73,000 fans here. And if I jump into my insights and jump to the posts section, we can have a look at some of this data here. So this one here has just under 40,000 reach. This one has 25,000. And if you see more here, we can go down and find the really popular ones. This one has 55,000, another 40. Keep going. And we can see this one here has just under 290,000 people reach, and that's zero paid, completely organic. And that's a lot of people that can get in touch with your brand and therefore get in touch with your products when you reach them through your Facebook organic feed. So let's jump into this post here and have a closer look at the data. So we've got over 12,000 likes, 1,400 loves, lots of laughs, lots of comments, almost 2,000 comments, 3 angries for some reason, and a lot of post clicks as well. So a lot of people are engaging with this post, and they're getting to know our brand through it. They're coming to our page and liking our page, and of course they're seeing our product posts and clicking through to our products as well. So coming down here, we have another one that has over 100,000 reach, and opening it up, it's just a simple joke about how tough 2 hours think they are. And using this information and this engagement on this post, we know that something like this will work as a design idea. So we could take an image, we could take this same quote, and we can create a design around it to use on mugs and shirts that people, of course, can buy from us. So how do we find this content? How do we know it's popular? And how do we develop these design ideas so we can keep pumping out products that we can test to the market and start making sales? Now, we used to do this manually. We'd come to Pinterest like this, we'd type in our keyword, and we'd look through dozens and dozens and dozens of pages trying to find things that are popular. But as you can see here, we have posts that are popular and posts that are not so popular. So we have ones mixed in here with 5k repins, 10k repins, 7k repins. This one only has 293. So you have a lot of content here that is not really getting engagement, and they're the ones you don't want to use. You want to use what's popular. Well, this one here has 27,000. So it took a lot of time to go through these pages and find ones that are popular, to filter down to what is exactly touching a nerve in the niche, so we can take that idea and use it as inspiration for designs and take some of that content and repurpose it as content on our Facebook pages and posting to Twitter and getting that organic natural reach to our fans. So what we did is take our software development skills here at Ignite Academy, and we built a piece of software called PinSpy that takes this research and makes it near instant. So let me jump into the software and show you exactly how it works. So here we are on the pin search tab of PinSpy, and I can just type in my main keyword here, which for this example is Chihuahua, and then we can add a sub keyword. So say you're looking for an idea for a new shirt. Okay, so we need something that is text-based, a quote that is popular that we can repurpose to use and test for a new design. So we can just add a sub keyword of quote, and then we can filter by the most repins. So all of the results that come back will be filtered with the most popular first. And then we can take that a step further, and the popularity tab, we can change it to only show posts that have a certain amount of repins. So we only choose the most popular. And then we have further options here to only choose high resolution. This is great if you want to only find content that you can reuse on Facebook page that has high quality graphics so they look great when they're posted. And then we can also choose to be square only. And this again is great for Facebook. If you have a square image, it posts better and the whole image will show on Facebook. And that will increase engagement and increase your organic reach. So they're optional there, but now let's go with Chihuahua quote, and we'll go for most repins first and 5,000 to 15,000 repins, and we'll click search. And the software will start pulling back results and organizing and filtering them for you in the software. So right away, we've got some results back here that have proven to be popular with 14 to 15,000 repins, and these are something that we can repurpose to use in a design. So we can have a look at these results here and find things that we think will work for our niche and for our page, and we can start saving them to our personal library. So home is where the dog hair sticks to everything but the dog. That could be a great mug, it could be a great shirt, something that could definitely be tested. So we can click the star icon and add that to our personal library. Something simple like this as a design could work also on mugs or on a necklace. So we can save that to our library. Home is where someone runs to greet you. That's a good one that could also be used across different dog breeds. So we can save that to our library. But say we want some cute photos to use as posts on our Facebook page. We can go here and we can go cute as an option, and again we can search. And the software will start pulling back all the cute posts that are very popular and viral on Pinterest, and we can start saving these to our saved content library as well. And we can select multiple images that we like at a time, and we can just click save to save them all in one go to our content library. And cute photos like this, if you're in pet niches or something along those lines, are great to get that organic reach. People love commenting and sharing on posts like this, and it's a great way to build up your page, so then you have that following and you can start posting product posts to them and getting clicks through to your sales pages. Okay, so we've saved that content to our library, and of course you can type in whatever your niche is in here and filter by these sub keywords. We've got lots in here that will suit your needs. Okay, and then once you've got that all saved to your content library, you can have a look and start amassing a huge library here which you can tap into whenever you need it. So say you're in 7 different niches, you could have all of that content in here, and then you can just filter down by the niche keyword. For example, I can just type in cat and filter down to the posts I have on cats. I can just type in Chihuahua here and get only the Chihuahua specific pins. For example, I can get rid of that and I can refine my search just by ones that are quotes. So we get whatever niche it is, but just the quotes. We can clear that filter and we can just search by most repins. So we only have the most popular ones first. For example, this pin here has almost 90,000 repins in the dog niche. So that's definitely something that's worth testing. So let's say today we need to post some fresh content to our Chihuahua page to reach our audience. We can just come into PinSpy here, type in the keyword, and we can go square only, so it's good for Facebook posts, and filter down. Okay, then we've got all those there, and then we can just click export all, choose where we want to export them, click open, and we're done. And if we jump into that folder here, you can see that it's exported all of the images ready for us to use as posts on our page to reach our audience. So jumping back into PinSpy here, let's say that we're in the cat niche and we need some new quote ideas to send to our designer to create designs around for our print-on-demand products. All you need to do is come in here, type in cat. We can go for cat quotes. We can go most repins, and we can go for popular ones of 15,000 to 50,000 repins and click search. The software will pull back the most viral results that we can use as inspiration for these designs. We can just come through and star the ones we think are worth sending to our designer. Then we can jump to our Save Content tab and we can filter by cat and quote, filter down to those results. Then we can go Export All, create a new folder called Design Ideas, create that, click Open, and we're done. We have a new folder ready to go to send to our designer. And if you have Dropbox set up, you can just right click on that folder, grab your Dropbox link, and then use that to paste into an email to your designer so they have all the reference they need to create designs you want, so you can start testing print-on-demand products and start making sales to your niche audience on Facebook. So that's a quick run through of the software. That's how we research our design ideas. That's how we find content for organic reach on our Facebook pages. And you can see with PinSpy how quick and easy it makes this process. So if you want to tap into the hot topics of your niche, the already virally proven content, then pick up PinSpy and make your design research and content research super easy with this software. Okay, I'm Sam Finlay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the Ignite Academy members area. Cheers.